Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage, love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get two fucks, but I still want that. You're savage, love. You're savage, love, love, love.
Hi, welcome back to this week's video. And this week's video is going to be me trying Mexican candies. So I'm already Mexican, so I already know what these candies taste like. So here I'm going to come back and show you the candy. So bye. I am back and I'm gonna show you the candy that I got from Northgate. If you don't know what Northgate is, it's a Mexican store. So here are the candy. So I got everything from there. So what I'm gonna show you is I already had these candies here at home. So I got this candy. So I'm gonna like set it up like right here. So I'm gonna show you. So like I'm gonna set it up and then I'm gonna show you like this and put the camera back on. And then I got some like either kind of both the same. So you see this one? But they're very good. So I'm gonna show you and it's like this, okay? And those are just balloons. And then I got Abuelita chocolate. It's Mexican hot chocolate. And it's pretty good, and I have the cup right there, but I'm going to show you when I got two of them because they were so cheap. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, and then I got some of these. These were 3 for $1. No, wait. 3 for $1. And yeah, I think they were 3 for $1. So, yeah. So, I'm going to try these Mexican candy. Oh, they're very good. So, and I got these. You know, one of like marshmallows. These are kind of good, but I really hardly eat these, so. Ooh, these are my favorite. The Lucas. Actually, they smell so good in the package. Oh, and then I like these, the lollipops. They're called elotes. They're called elote. It means corn in Spanish. So yeah, and then I got another one of these. These are very good, and these are from Mexico. Oh, I love these. You know what Tostelocos? Did you know what Tostelocos are? They're like this Mexican chips thing where you mix all of these inside. And then I got some. They're like these, but they're the same. So I'm gonna show you everything what I got. So look it. This is what I got. So I'm gonna show you right now, and I'm gonna come back. So I'm back, and these are all. This is the hot chocolate, and these are all the candy I got. So I'm gonna be trying the candy right now. So I'll be back. So these are all the candies. So I'm gonna try all of these and I'm gonna put this in here. I am back, and then I'm going to be trying these. I don't know what they're called, but see, they're like marshmallows. So yeah, so I'm gonna be opening them, and then so we're gonna try one. Oh man, they come like this. So you gotta take it out the tape. So we're gonna try this one. So yeah, so let's try this one. See how it tastes. Cause it's very, very good. It reminds me, oh my god, the color looks like the Kit Kat. It's like a Kit Kat. It's not like marshmallow. No. Mexican Kit Kat. Okay. Okay. Sorry I'm me spilling it, but this is very good. So I'll rate this 1 to 10. What would you rate this? I would rate it a 10. It's good. Mexican Kit Kat. Oh my god, it's so good. So now I'm gonna try this. It comes with 10. I know I'm gonna be full, but after this video, I'm gonna go be eating lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna get College Jr., but it's okay. So I'm gonna open this. But you gotta tear this apart. I know, because no, then the whole paper thing. Okay, the whole paper thing comes out because I'll try to open it, but yeah, this is how you do it. Don't recommend you doing it with your teeth because you're gonna mess up your teeth, but you got a little bit right here. I like doing this and like, this is so good. I'll give this, 1 to 10, I'll give this a 10. Literally, I love this flavor. I don't like the other flavors. They have the red flavor. It's kind of like sour. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one next, okay? This one. I'm gonna try the elote. Cause I can't try spicy stuff. But next, if you want me to try Mexican like chips, I'll do it a part 2 doing Mexican chips. So yeah, if you want me to do that, comment down below and let me know, and I'll do it. Okay, this is hard to open. Usually you gotta just tear it apart. Oops, tear it apart. But I'll put all these in the bag when I'm done. But look, this is how it comes in the package. Then we're gonna do, we're gonna do an ASMR. Oh my god, this is so good. I'll rate this a 10. Most of these I'm gonna rate it a 10. Yeah, I have an Apple Watch. And then, so next, I'm gonna open these. Let me see how these taste. These are good. I love these. The first time I tried it, I said I didn't like it. But look, this is how it comes, and it comes with chile. Oh shoot! It came apart, but yeah, it comes with this little sauce on top. So we're gonna pour some in there. Not too much. Then you just like mix it all in there, and then grab a strip. It's actually good. But what I rate this? I rate this a 10. Move on to the next one. I know I should have bought me a napkin, but it's okay. Move this one to the side because I already did. So I'm gonna try this one. It's just like the other one, but it's. Let me see. These are very good. When I rate this, I rate this they're kind of hard. I'll give this I'll give this a 9. Yeah, a 9. Okay, I already did this one. Oh, I need to try this one. They're the same thing as the other ones. So yeah. It's like hard to open. I love eating Mexican candy. Yep. You know me. I love Mexican candy. So if you like go to parties, you see all these and you see them in piñatas. Oh my god, I love when people have these. Oh yeah, right here. They're hard. I didn't know they were hard. Okay. Okay, they're the hard and chewy ones. I'll give this up. I like them, but I like the soft one. I'll give this I'll give this like a 7 because they're very hard. I like the chewy one. I forgot again. My favorite ones, those peanuts. So I'll rate the peanuts. So, how can you open these peanuts? Okay, I opened them backwards, but let me try the peanuts. Okay. Super good. Okay, I'm done with the peanuts. I'm done with that. I know I opened some things and I didn't finish it, but so now next is the hot chocolate. So I'm gonna open this Abuelita chocolate. I'm not gonna probably drink it all. I'm gonna probably like save it like for later in the night. Like, this is how the packaging comes. It used to come different, but if you want to buy this, all this stuff, it's good. So I already put the water, I already put the milk, and then I'm just gonna put this. It's a good thing to put the whole thing. If you're gonna do half and half for like you and somebody else, yeah. Oh my god, when I was little, when I was like a teenager, and I love drinking this. Me and my cousin, we love drinking this. Yes, every time I see my cousin, we will always drink this. Yep. And we would do half and half because sometimes we don't want a lot. So yeah, we just gotta mix this. And we just mix it. And then taste test. I rate this a 10. A 10 out of 10. So yeah. So I'm probably gonna drink that later, but. So my favorite thing was, I like these. I like this. This one's my favorite. So I'm gonna end up this video right now. So I want you to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming up soon. And if you want a part 2, me trying Mexican chips, just comment down below what kind of Mexican chip should I try. Should I try the Doritos, the Mexican Doritos, or what should I try? Or should I try other Mexican snacks? If I didn't include some of them, you guys eat, because I probably didn't buy the whole thing because these candies were not kind of expensive, but I really like them. Maybe you could try putting some of this in here, like Lucas, and let me see if it's gonna taste good. It definitely tastes good. So try it like this, and comment down below what you want to see. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon. And see you next week.